Hello everybody!
Ahoj, jak se máš?
Now we are on the beach here with Gianco. Gianco, look! How are you today?
Yeah, today I'm good.
You good?
Yeah.
And what's our plan?
Our plan is just to stay on the beach for a few hours and to go back home to make the dinner.
And
And we can watch some movie.
milkshake.
No. Yeah, before to go home, we like to drink some milkshake.
And where?
Constantinople Hotel.
It was your previous job.
Yeah, my previous job. So we will go there just for milkshake and to say hi to the guys. And then we go back home to make dinner.
Maybe Jan is watching this vlog, so hello Yanis!
Hello Yanis, jak se máš?
Karakos!
Kanal Karakos living.
Kalimera!
Yes.
Yes! And there is the boat for swimming with turtles. Yeah?
Yeah.
Is this one?
This one.
What's there? Blue Lagoon, Bottom, fishing
Yeah, it's
trip.
the stop where all the boats.
Kaskito, I want to swim with turtles.
Do you have your swimming suits? Then, so you cannot swim.
Maybe they can give me.
Who?
I don't know. The captain.
If they have to give you, it's 50.
Oh,
Just 50, but you have to give back.
okay.
It's like you rent the clothes.
So no swimming with
No
turtles.
swimming with Gianco today. And Gianco, she's not with it today. So
Strašně tady fouká, takže asi stejně nic neslyšíte. Je to studený ta voda, jinak by si šla koupat. Gianco, dejte se. Jsi u moře? Ty bys šla plavat, že nejradši? Budeš plavat? Řekni, já jsem ještě malinká. Řekni, a co jsi dneska papala? Já jsem měla dneska banán a hrušku, řekni. Ano. Já jsem pár dní nenatáčela, protože jsem se opět nasrala na migračním, kdy nám zase zamítli naši žádost, takže... Ale dneska je dobrý den, užíváme si, takže natáčíme vlog. No, tak uvidíme, co bude dál. Kaskito. Say yes.
yeah. Oh, it's weird when it's like this. Wait.
And what head you have? It's Barcelona or
It's Manchester United. Man United.
is your favorite team?
My favorite team is the same with my
And
t-shirt.
Which player is your favorite one?
My favorite player is Bruno Fernandes.
Bruno Fernandes?
Yeah, no, Bruno Fernandes.
Bruno Fernandes?
Yeah, it's Fernandes, but in Portuguese it's Fernandes.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now we are going to Constantino for some milkshake. What's your favorite flavor of milkshake.
Vanilla.
Vanilla. It's in Greek it's vanilla.
With 2 shots of coffee. Espresso.
Espresso. Yeah, but for me it's vanilla mixed with chocolate. This is my favorite one.
I like all flavors, to be honest.
You like
Because
what?
all the flavors. Because, you know, I love ice cream, the milk, you know.
Yeah.
We will see if somebody
see.
can make one for us.
Oh,
I mean, one for you and one for
Yeah.
me.
Two
I don't want to share with you.
2 milkshakes. One for you and one for me.
And for Gianco?
Oh no. She's ready for that.
Kasim 17.
No way, I like 17.
Because your dad calls you 17K. A tady je místo na svatbu, nebo teda na obřad, nebo jak to říct. Tady tak u moře, to je hodně top. My jsme se teda brali na radnici, ale jako nestěžovala bych si i tady. What do you think, Kaskita? Kaskito, how you enjoyed our wedding?
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah?
No, it's good. I wanted to say that it was, but it's
But
No.
we had no guests.
no guess. But it's better when you are family.
But we don't have family. Here.
We are a family. Oh, you need more people?
No, we don't have family here.
No. I'm the.
Celebrate
Finally,
good
I will-
times, come on.
Finally,
But this
we
is
have-
the small one.
Yeah, because he's busy, so he
Oh.
make it.
Bravo, better than nothing.
Yeah.
Thank you. Hej, Kaskita Čimbala. Tak jsme doma už. Kaskita to zalomila hned po příchodu. Žianko, co na to říkáš? Řekni, tato, vstávej, já si chci hrát. Řekni, máš povinnosti, vstávej a nechrápe. Kaskito, wake up.